3 giant companies na pwedeng pag-investan ng 1,000 pesos mo. And you won't believe kung ano ang number 1. Number 3, BDO. Your 1,000 pesos can buy you 7 shares of stocks kay BDO. Number 2, Mega Worlds. Your 1,000 pesos can buy you 510 shares of stocks kay Mega Worlds. Number 1, Jollibee. Your 1,000 pesos can buy you 4 shares of stocks kay Jollibee. By buying shares of stocks sa mga companies na ito, you will have the opportunity para makihati sa profits na kinikita ng mga companies na ito. Kapatid, gusto mo bang matuto paano bumili ng shares of stocks in the Philippines' largest corporations? Just send me a message or comment down below stocks for details. See you on my next video.